Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah and today's video is on this sultry olive makeup look which is perfect for the fall season. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. For my eyeshadow base, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm blending this all over my eyelid with a concealer brush to cover up any darkness and veins on my eyelid. From the Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette, I'm taking the peachy brown shade and applying that to my eye as my transition colour. Next, I'm taking the dark brown colour in the bottom left corner of the Morphe 35N palette and using that to darken up my outer corner. And then I'm blending around the edges to make sure that this fades into my crease colour without any harsh lines. Next, I'm taking this metallic cool toned dark brown eyeshadow from the Revolution Eyes Like Angels palette. On the centre of my eyelid, I'm taking the metallic olive shade from the same palette. And then blending those two colours together. Going back to the Carli Bybel palette, I'm going to be taking this shimmery cool toned bronze eyeshadow and applying that to the inner third of my eyelid, making sure to blend it into the olive shade. Next, we're moving on to eyeliner, and as usual I'm taking my Kiss Me Heroine liquid liner. And here I'm clearing up the wing and eyeshadow using some micellar water. Now I'm applying some false lashes from the Eyeliner Luxe collection, and I'm pretty sure these are in the style Opulent. Now we're moving on to the face, and I'm using my Skindinavia primer spray to prep my skin. For foundation, I'm taking a mixture of the Fenty Pro Filtr in the shade 390 and the NYX Total Control drops in the shade Caramel. I'm making sure to apply this and blend it out in sections because the Fenty foundation dries down quickly. To highlight, I'm using the NYX HD Concealer in the shade Caramel, and I'm applying this to the high points of my face. Then, on another sponge, I'm taking my Laura Mercier loose powder and setting the areas that I just concealed. Now I'm swiping off the excess powder, but making sure to avoid the perimeter of my face as I'm going to be cream contouring in a second. Now with my NYX Wonder Stick, I'm carving out my forehead, cheekbones and jawline and blending that out with a flat top brush. I'm then taking some more of my Laura Mercier powder, but this time on a large fluffy brush, and using that to set the rest of my face. And to add some more warmth into my complexion, I'm taking my GUERLAIN bronzer and applying that all over my face. To add some definition back to my nose, I'm taking my Sleek Contour Kit in medium. For a subtle glow on my cheeks, I'm taking the BareMinerals Ready Blush in the shade The Natural High. For highlight today, I'm going back to the Carli Bybel palette and taking a mixture of the Frosty Pink and the Champagne Gold shade and applying that to the high points of my face. To complete my eyeshadow, I'm now smoking out the olive shade that I used on my upper lid on my lower lash line. And then, after fixing my wonky eyelash, I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara on my real lashes to blend them with the false ones, and then on my lower lashes. For lip liner, I'm using my NYX Slide-On Lip Pencil in the shade Urban Cafe. On top of that, I'm taking my ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Buffy. And then I'm going over once again with my lip liner to contour my lips. And finally, as the last step, I'm setting my makeup with my MAC Fix Plus setting spray. And I'm dabbing that in any areas where my face is a bit too wet in order to prevent my makeup from dripping. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like and a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.